Hello friends, welcome to another video on stock market series. Today's topic of discussion is Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. Friends, before going directly to SEBI, we'll first have a quick look at the stock exchange in India, what is a stock market participant and what are stock market participants, and then we will go to SEBI. Let us also have a quick revision of our previous video before going into this video. In the previous video, we learned that a share is the extent of ownership a person has in a company. Also, that share markets are places where people can buy or sell their shares, just like how we buy grocery items from grocery stores. A share market is a place where people can buy or sell their shares. And share market is the best option to invest in order to get inflation beating results. And unlike our grocery stores, share markets can only be accessed electronically. This means that we cannot go to a share market and buy shares physically. We can buy shares only electronically through share markets. Stock exchange in India. A stock exchange is nothing but a share market where people can buy or sell their shares. And as of now, there are 25 official stock exchanges in India. Though there are 25 official stock exchanges, only 6 stock exchanges are active. And out of those 6 stock exchanges, there are only 2 stock exchanges that play a key role or meaningful role. They are Bombay Stock Exchange in Mumbai and National Stock Exchange in Delhi, and the remaining stock exchanges like Kolkata Stock Exchange, Bangalore Stock Exchange, Cochin, Madras. These stock exchanges don't play any meaningful role, and these are all inactive for a long time, and these are also granted exit by the SEBI recently. Market participants in India. So what is a market participant? A market participant is someone who participate in the transactions of the market. For instance, if there is a person who buys or sell their shares, he becomes a market participant. Anyone who transacts in a stock market is a market participant. Some of the categories of market participants: retail participants. These are people like you and me transacting in markets. NRIs, non-resident Indians, and overseas citizens of India. These are people of Indian origin but they live outside India. And domestic institutions like LIC, domestic asset management institutions like SBI mutual fund, and foreign institutional investors. It's okay, we will look into these market participants in detail in the upcoming videos, but for now just know that a market participant is someone who participate in the transactions of a market. And SEBI, SEBI is an acronym for Securities and Exchange Board of India. This SEBI is a body in India that ensures that the process of buying and selling of shares gets done fairly. It actually regulates all the market participant and all the transactions going in the market. The main aim of SEBI is to promote the development of stock exchanges and regulate the activities of market participants and financial intermediaries. We will look at financial intermediaries in the upcoming video. Why SEBI? The reason why we need SEBI is that it keeps an eye on all the market transactions going in the market, and also on all market participants. So if it ensures that stock exchanges conducts businesses fairly. So if any market participant or financial intermediary tries to do any fraud, they will get punished by SEBI. The best example was that of Satyam Computers. Please go to Google and learn about Satyam Computers fraud. And it also ensures that the participants don't get involved in any unfair practices. If any participant gets involved in any unfair practice, they will get punished by SEBI immediately. And it also makes sure the stockbroker and sub-brokers conducts their business fairly. Each entity in stock market should operate within its framework prescribed by SEBI. As we mentioned in the first point, SEBI has a set of rules and regulations to each market participant and financial intermediary. So no market participants should go beyond their prescribed framework. If they try to go beyond their prescribed framework, they will get punished by SEBI. And the specific rule applicable for a specific entity are made available by SEBI on their website. So friends, if you like to look at the rules for each market participant, you can just go to SEBI website and look at those. That's it friends. Thank you for listening to this video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. And if you don't like this video, please feel free to dislike it. And if you like this video, please go ahead and like it, and also subscribe to this channel to not miss any upcoming updates, because this is a continuous series on stock markets. And if you want to get some good knowledge on stock markets, please follow this video series. Thank you. Bye bye.